Charlie. Hi. Let him know. Open the door. Hello? Hello? I swear to God, I just saw Pizza Hut guy. How freaking weird. Oh, there you are. I'm like, I know I just saw the Pizza Hut guy. Come on up. Sorry. Okay, I got somebody special that wants to collect a pizza from you. Sorry. Here we go. Okay, grab it, Charlie. Just don't grab the poor guy in the Pizza Hut guy. Don't eat him. Just the pizza.
Thank you.
You ready? Oh, wait. You got to give him back his bag, though. There we go. All right. Charlie, you got your pizza?